The game was so strange. Probably the dirtiest team that I've ever come up against, in the respects of when we won a penalty, surrounding the referee, even pushing the referee, the headbutt that I'm sure you've all seen, scuffing the penalty spot, a lot of off the ball stuff that I'm sure you've not heard about. You know, all the sort of things that you don't really hear in a football match, and I think on our behalf it shows massive character from us to keep a cool head and not get sucked into their game. I think when you play against a team like that want to fight, want to disturb your momentum, you can sometimes get dragged into it, and that's what they want. You know, we stuck to our plan and kept playing our way of football, and for me that's a great sign for a team to have, you know, that sort of quality to make sure that we still have that tunnel vision of what we want to get out of the game and stick to our game plan.